Okay, so you're thinking about islands, maybe a getaway, a real escape. Let me tell you about the Scilly Isles. These aren't your average noisy beach spots. No, these are something else entirely. Picture this, tiny islands scattered like jewels, off the coast of England but a world away. It's a place that just pulls you in, you know. A different kind of vibe, super chill. I'd heard stories, seen a few photos, but you know how it is. Pictures don't always do it justice. The Scilly Isles, they're even better in person. The air feels cleaner, the pace is slower. People are friendly. It's like stepping back a bit. There's this raw beauty everywhere you look, from the white sandy beaches to the rugged cliffs. It's a photographer's dream, honestly, especially if you have a drone. The first time I flew my drone there, man, it was mind-blowing. Seeing it all from above, the way the islands connect with the sea, the colors, the textures. It's just unreal. You get this whole new perspective. It's like unlocking a secret level in a video game. Suddenly you understand the scale of it. The isolation, but also the connection. It's a special place, no doubt. Getting there is part of the adventure. You can take a small plane or a ferry. Either way, you feel like you're journeying somewhere unique. And when you arrive, it hits you. This feeling of peace, of quiet. It's the perfect spot to recharge your batteries, to just breathe and take it all in. The Scilly Isles, add them to your list. Seriously, you won't regret it. Now let's talk about golden hour. This is the magic time for any filmmaker, any photographer. It's that hour right after sunrise. And that hour right before sunset, the light, it's insane, soft, warm, golden. It makes everything look incredible, cinematic. On the Scilly Isles, it's next level. The way that light hits the water, the islands, it's pure art, nature's art show. Sunrise is something else. You've got to be dedicated, waking up when it's still dark. Cold maybe, but then you launch the drone and you see that first hint of light. The sky starts to blush, pinks, oranges, yellows. It creeps over the horizon slowly. The islands are still sleepy, quiet, and your drone is up there, capturing it all. It's a peaceful, almost spiritual moment. Sunset is just as epic, but a different vibe. The day is winding down, people are relaxing, the light gets super dramatic, long shadows. The sky can explode with color, fiery reds, deep purples. Flying the drone then, you're chasing that light, trying to capture those last amazing moments, the silhouettes of the islands against the bright sky, the boats bobbing gently in the harbor. It's a race against time, but so worth it. The water during golden hour is incredible. It turns into a mirror, reflecting all those colors. Sometimes it's calm, like glass. Other times, gentle waves catch the light. Each ripple sparkles. It's mesmerizing. You see the shallow parts, the turquoise turning gold, the deeper blues becoming rich and dark. Flying over that, watching the light change. It's an experience you don't forget. So how do you capture all this beauty? My weapon of choice? The drone. Obviously, drones have changed everything for creators like me. They let you get shots you could only dream of before, especially in a place like the Scilly Isles. The perspectives are just insane. You can fly low over the water or soar high above the islands for a big picture. It's like having a flying tripod. Time-lapses are key for golden hour. You set up your drone or even a ground camera and you let it shoot frame after frame as the sun rises or sets. As the clouds move, then you speed it up and wow, you see the whole transformation in seconds. The light sweeping across the landscape, the shadows dancing. It's super powerful. It takes patience, but the payoff is huge. Flying a drone in these conditions, you got to be smart. The wind can pick up, especially near the coast. You need to check the weather, know your limits. Battery life is always a thing. Always, you're constantly watching that percentage, trying to get that one last perfect shot before it's too low. It adds a bit of adrenaline to the calm scene, but that's part of the fun, right? The challenge of getting it just right, and it's not just about the wide shots. The drone lets you get close to details too. The texture of the rocks, the patterns in the sand, the way the light filters through the marram grass. You can move smoothly, creating these flowing shots, almost like you're a bird just gliding around. It gives viewers a real sense of being there, of experiencing the islands in a unique way. That's the goal, to share that feeling. What's it really like, being there? During those golden hours on the Scilly Isles, it's more than just pretty pictures. It's a feeling, a deep sense of peace, of tranquility. The world just kind of fades away. All that matters is the light, the land, the sea. The air is fresh, salty, clean. You can hear the gentle lapping of waves, maybe a distant seabird calling, that's it. The untouched natural beauty is stunning. These islands feel wild, resilient. They're not overdeveloped, they're not crowded. You can find beaches where you're the only person. Just you and the incredible scenery. The drone helps show this. The vastness, the raw, unspoiled character of the place. It's a reminder of how beautiful the planet can be. When we just let it be, the emotional impact is strong. Watching a sunrise like that, it's inspiring. It makes you feel hopeful, grateful. And sunset? It's a time for reflection, a beautiful end to the day. You feel small, but in a good way. Part of something much bigger. It's humbling and incredibly calming. These moments stick with you. It's a sensory overload, but the best kind. The warmth of the dying sun on your skin, the smell of the sea and the wildflowers, the sound of silence punctuated by nature. And the sights, oh the sights, those colors burning into your memory, experiencing the golden hours on the Scilly Isles, especially with a drone. It's not just about getting cool shots, it's about connecting with something pure, something real. Subscribe to iChameleon Explorer for more like this to push the algorithm. I make and upload travel videos weekly to be in touch regularly, so stay tuned and enjoy your time. Thanks